In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize the Wix Online Programs app to enhance your website's functionality and make it stand out. Let's dive right in and make sure your site is set up perfectly to deliver the engaging and interactive content you have in mind. First, start by navigating to the left side of your Wix editor. Here, you'll see an option called Add Apps. This is your gateway to accessing a plethora of features that can elevate your site's capabilities. Click on Add Apps to open the App Market, a treasure trove of tools and integrations designed to upgrade your website. In the search bar, type in Wix Online Programs. As you type, you may see this app pop up in the suggestions below. Select it and don't hesitate. Hit that Add to Site button. This action integrates the app with your site, laying the foundation for interactive online programs right within your website. With the app now part of your site, ready yourself for the exciting part: creating your first program. Wix offers pre-existing templates tailored to various needs, whether you're planning on launching courses, organizing fitness challenges, or crafting personalized coaching plans. These templates are designed to give you a professional and polished look with minimal effort. However, if you're feeling creative or your vision doesn't quite fit into a template, you have the flexibility to build your design from scratch. This option allows you to truly personalize everything, ensuring that your program reflects both your brand and the unique experience you want to offer your users. Next up, let's talk about customization. Your program is divided into 3 main pages, each serving a distinct purpose: the program list page, the visitor page, and the participant page. These pages are highly customizable, empowering you to display different kinds of information depending on the user's status. For example, the program list page might give a sneak peek at available programs, enticing visitors to explore what you offer. For those already engaged, the participant page provides a rich interactive experience with detailed insights tailored to them. Moreover, customizing the layout, design, and information displayed across these pages allows you to cater specifically to the viewer, whether it's a curious site visitor or a dedicated participant. This personalization not only enhances user experience, but also reinforces your brand's personality and professionalism. By following these steps, you can harness the full potential of the Wix Online Programs app, adding depth and engagement to your website for both prospective and current participants. It's all about guiding your visitors seamlessly through your content and providing them with the best experience possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.